I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making the circuit safe and isolating the part you want to test. Power down, remove batteries, and short large capacitors if needed so there's no stored charge. Prepare a simple test rig, one small battery, an LED, and a 330 ohm resistor in series, plus 2 jumper wires. Once done, identify the 2 test points on the component or trace. This setup limits current and gives a visible indication of a conductive path without a multimeter. Connect the resistor and LED across the 2 test points and observe. A bright LED means a low resistance path. A dim LED suggests high resistance. No light means an open circuit. For diodes, reverse the battery to check direction. Only one orientation should light. On circuit boards, lift one leg of the suspect component or disconnect a nearby trace so you're not seeing parallel conductivity through other parts. Once you understand the light behavior, you can map where continuity exists on the board or cable. When testing is complete, remove your temporary connections and reinstall any lifted legs or components. Repower the device and confirm normal function. If the LED gave ambiguous results, clean oxide from contacts, retest with a known good jumper, and wiggle connectors to reveal intermittent faults. Sometimes slight corrosion or a cracked trace is the problem. If you still see inconsistent or marginal continuity, stop and use a proper multimeter or continuity tester. That extra resolution will confirm borderline resistances you can't reliably judge by eye.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.